Well, hello, everyone, and welcome to the WeInsureEverything.com Modernize Your HR overview. The goal of this overview is to give you a 30,000-foot perspective on how to better manage all of your benefits administration as well as staying compliant. So we're going to show you a few slides on exactly how that's done, a quick video, and then give you everything you need in order to get in touch with somebody on our team to go over the best solutions for your company. This presentation is brought to you by Mikell Simmons, the founder of WeInsureEverything.com, an independent insurance broker specializing in employee benefits and year-round benefit administration for companies with 5 to 500 employees. Today, you're going to learn a couple things. First thing you're going to learn is how to be compliant in 2019, in 2020, and years to come. Next, you're going to figure out exactly how you enhance employee understanding and appreciation of their benefits. Most employees have benefits. Most have absolutely no idea what the benefits do. Our solution changes that. And lastly, we're going to help you better understand what you need to do to help modernize your human resources so that it benefits your company as a whole. The employee, your company, all of the above, because this in turn is going to allow you to attract and retain qualified employees. Who in the world doesn't want that? So let's start with the basics and share a little bit about what we do. So over the past 10 years, we've been assisting small companies with employee benefit packages such as group health insurance, and most of which started with voluntary programs. So that's little or no financial obligation from the company at all. So we start at the very, very beginning. We're a full-service agency, which means we go out and actually shop the market for our clients so that they don't have to. We take advantage of competitive pricing and solutions and cut down the time that our client has to actually go find those because we do the work for them. We actually take it to a next level because we put in all of the benefit solutions into one easy to manage, simple platform for all of our clients. So there's not a more critical time for a business than when a company is under 10 employees in the very, very beginning. This is the time that you position your company as a respected competitor in your industry. And for most of you, you're thinking to yourself, wait a second, that's now. Hey, that's me. And we're glad that you're here because this is exactly what you need to be. This is exactly the next step in the equation for you being able to take your human resources and modernize them. Now, most companies with less than 50 employees don't have the budget for experienced HR directors, head of HR, etc. This leaves new companies exposed to all kinds of things like bad choices, delayed growth, even significant fines. All things that you want to avoid, not just as a new company, as a small company, as a company in general. So if this is you, these are just a few of the problems that many, many companies deal with. Our solution helps to solve that. Now, at the end of this presentation today, I'm going to give you a market analysis tool, which actually tracks year-over-year expenses on benefits. So your CFO or your boss, they're going to feel obligated to give you a raise just because you got this neat little tool in and of itself. So the journey has actually consisted of over 10 years of studying and reviewing systems that would allow us to provide a value-added solution above our competitors. And this is exactly what differentiates us from everyone else. What sets us aside from our clients? Well, after testing almost a dozen different systems and figuring out which ones work, which ones don't work, which ones have the solutions for our clients' needs, some of which cost tens of thousands of dollars, we have found, in fact, that the Employee Navigator is, in fact, the best platform on the market. And that's exactly why I'm going to show you exactly how it works in action right now. Check out this short video. Now, how cool was that? Hey, listen, when I say we found the best, we really feel like we found the best. Now, you may be trying to understand if this product can actually work for you, right? Well, I can tell you that we have 5-person groups and we've had 600-person groups using this system. Here's a few examples. We've had the restaurant group. That's 600 employees, 5 locations, all younger workers with nighttime shifts, and all had voluntary benefits. Or we had the hearing aid company, started with 75 employees, acquired a competitor, and grew to over 300 employees with 24 locations in Florida. Then we have our wine distributor, 24 employees, grew to 140 employees in Florida, New York, and Colorado. We also have a law firm here in Miami. They have 5 employees, but they've been a client of ours for the past 6 years. So as you can see, there is no specific employee size client that we have. We've got small clients that have been with us forever. We've got medium-sized clients that became large clients. The size of your company, the amount of employees you have, has no difference on us being able to step in and provide a solution to what you need. This is your turnkey solution to being able to run a more compliant program, to create better appreciation, and most important, it allows you to modernize your HR efforts year-round. I know what you're probably thinking. This platform looks like exactly what we need pertaining to our human resource solution. But it also looks very, very expensive, and it sounds very expensive. And to be fair, some platforms out there are very, very expensive. That's not the case with us. Some platforms and solutions are a minimum of $5,000 to get started and a cost of $7 per employee per month. That could get costly with a couple hundred employees. Not the case with us. We'll have you up and running in 7 days or less. We'll have it done efficiently, and we'll have it done to make sure that you are compliant. Once you sign an agent of record letter, it authorizes WeInsureEverything.com to become your insurance agent. This way, the insurance carriers are paying us, not you. So there's a huge differentiator there, and something you really want to get clear about. You're not going to be spending thousands upon thousands of dollars to utilize our platform. Once we are your agent of record, we go to work for you. The carriers pay us, not you. You got to understand, some things are just not worth doing the hard way. You can take back control of your day knowing that things are working systematically and efficiently. So if you sign up today, let's engage your employees in a whole new way. Isn't that what it's all about? Creating an experience for your team, not just a job for them to do. So what do you have to do? Well, first, you've got to prepare an updated census. That's a list of all of your employees, your entire team. Then we've got to put together all current benefits and rates that you're currently offering and paying, and then complete an agency of record. That'll allow us to get in, analyze your information, shop the market, find out what solutions you need, plug them directly into our system, and get back to you with what exactly we can do. Here's what we don't want you to do, okay? First of all, we don't want you to keep doing things the hard way. We also don't want you spending thousands of dollars on trial and error. It can be avoided. And we also don't want you to rely on the free route that some carriers offer. Free sometimes is exactly what you get, free. So we try to avoid the whole free route that some carriers offer. We want to stay focused on exactly what your needs are and what benefits we can bring to the table for those needs. Now, we have a 30-day timeline for success, and we also have a fast-track onboarding route for new groups with no current benefits in place. So whether or not you choose to sign up today, we wanted to share with you how to boost your position to Chief Human Resources. First of all, you need to effectively communicate with the boss or CFO. This means speaking their language and helping them understand the year-over-year company spend on benefits. Once they see the amount that's being spent on benefits based on the benefits that are being provided, it really starts to shift their mindset and open to their eyes to, wait a second, maybe modernizing our HR is something that we need. You also have to communicate with employees better and more consistently and streamline your human resources and HR duties and responsibilities, not just this month, but year round. This is what most HR directors fail at. And therefore, it's also where our agency and firm gains clients for life. Why? Because there's a huge gaping void there in the HR solution pertaining to making sure that it's modernized. That's where we step in to be able to do. We're an all-in-one benefits solution. We're paperless, we're efficient, we're accessible, and we give you control, which is the main thing. We give you complete control of your HR while helping you streamline it and manage it in a very, very cost-effective and efficient way. So we hope that this presentation really gives you that 30,000 foot perspective of exactly what we can do to come in and modernize your HR. We here at InsureEverything.com really do appreciate you taking time to check out this presentation and learn more about the exciting things we have going on here at WeInsureEverything.com. Interested in finding out what we can do to take your firm to the next level and modernize your HR? Don't hesitate. As soon as I'm done here in the next 30 seconds, pick up the phone, open an email, check us out online, give Michael and his team a call. That way we can find out exactly what your needs are, match them up with our solution, and we'll go from there. We'll talk to you soon.